This tutorial is going to show you how to change the Office 2007 product key. Make sure that you don't have any Office 2007 programs running and then click on Start and then Run. In the text field in the window that appears, you need to type regedit and click OK. This will load the registry editor. Within Registry Editor, you need to navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Office, 12.0, then Registration. Inside the Registration folder, you will find another folder labeled with many numbers. Click on this to open its contents in the right side of the window. Within this folder, you need to delete two entries. First, find Digital Product ID and right-click on it, and in the menu that appears, click Delete. Confirm the deletion in the window that appears. Repeat this process for the second file called Product ID. Now when you open any program from the Office 2007 package, you will be asked to enter a product key. This is where you can enter your new product code, and that is how to change Office 2007 product key.